One thing what I like most of it is whenever things like it is not that a tailored thing, it might go wrong. I say and you all are there to change it immediately, not a question. I'm not a very western clothes wearing person, so salwar, suits, saris is what I like.
You wear your jamdanis to work?
Not always, but sometimes I do, yes. Special occasions I do.
Special occasions.
Yeah, yes.
What is your take on the size or the design? And why would you prefer getting your outfits stitched versus buying from somewhere?
This I really can't answer because there is no comparison. Like if I go to Lakshita, it gives good size and the collections are also beautiful. But then sometimes I want like the warm clothes or something like the golden and white, as you said, off-white. That I won't get anywhere. And when these things are going in my head, I want only that particular thing. So then it has to be stitched.
Yes. So I think unique thing, which I want for myself.
Yes.
That will not be available in the
yes.
ready-to-make garments. And this is one thing, different is the word which most of the people use, and you want to like dress differently, and there's something which I want, and that's why we have our logo as Be More of You.
Yeah, I used to make my clothes and then say, oh my god, what is this? Like,
it was a big waste.
Because 3-4 times I had to go and then change the design, and still I was not very okay with the shape they gave me. So when I got your idea from, it was probably from Facebook.
Okay.
Then let's give it a try.
Okay.
So I thought, okay, like I liked how you presented. Let's give it a try. And in the very first thing, it was go for it. And one thing what I like most of it is whenever things like it is not that a tailored thing, it might go wrong. I say and you all are there to change it immediately, not a question. Like नहीं ठीक है, ऐसा ही होता है. I get this quotes always, ऐसा ही होता है. ऐसा ही नहीं होता है. मतलब it can be changed, it can be done, and that's what you all gave me. Thank you for that.
Okay.
So I saw your small videos, and then something stuck in my head and said, let's give it a try.
Okay.
Like even the local tailors, we are giving a try, so why not?
Okay.
Yeah. And then at the very first take, it was a win-win situation. Like it fitted well and everything was fantastic, and I liked the way it was designed and how I wanted it was just done that way. So that is where the relation clicked, I will say.
Okay.
And I tried the other fabrics that I had with me, and every time it was a pleasure.
That is so nice to hear. What is one of the first things in that ad or when you first saw us which clicked? Was it stitching, convenience, measurements? What do you have to say about that?
The pick up and drop first.
Pick up and drop.
Yeah, because I don't have much time, really to go give the fabric, then again call 10 times and say, is it done? Or again go to that place, try it. So picking up and dropping, and if any alterations are done, I'm sorry, if any alterations required, you people again picked it up without any question and did what I wanted. So that was a service that was given out of the way. Mostly I have designs on my mind, so I shared it with a designer of yours, and they get back almost half an hour to 1 hour. I get back their replies, so never an issue with that. And if I want any other designs, you all come up with designs, lot of designs, and I select from it. So design was not a problem at all. And I got something like this, which again I shared with my office, and I said, see, this is the service that they are giving, and this is something very different that I saw.
Thank you.
So Where did you come up with this idea?
I think we have a team of budding people coming up, and they are so close to the
Very
customers.
creative ideas. Like I know many good brands, and I haven't seen this type of service. So
Thank you, thank you. It is like
you're doing a wonderful job. Please keep it up.
thank you so much. Oh,
Okay.
your
I want you to soar high.
that is. I
And
mean,
it was nice
I'm
to-
having goosebumps right now, like listening to all this.
And it's nice to hear that you all are going pan India.
Yes,
So,
yes,
Great,
yes,
great.
yes.
For the women who
For the
really, women and the girls who really want to dress up well, I really want at least once to try Let's Dress Up, and you'll be elated.